Hello and welcome to sproutflowers.com. This is your host Emmanuel, and today I'm going to discuss with you how to make a beautiful blog like this within 10 minutes and free of cost. Writing a blog is an art by itself, and many people use it to express themselves on the internet. And you might be a music lover, or you might be a doctor, engineer, or you might be a traveler. Any sort of thing, you can write your own blog. Alright, so what do you need for a blog? You need a logo, a fav icon, and at least 5 already written blog posts. This is needed to start a blog. That's all you need, and I'm gonna tell you how. Alright, first step of blog making is creating your own logo, and canva.com comes for help. So canva.com has already predefined logo styles which you can use and create your website's logo in a matter of minutes. So I've logged into canva.com and I'm going to search for logo. Here it is, and I'm going to click on logo. Here are many predefined logo styles which you can use, but all of them are at a price. So as I said earlier, I want to make you create your blog for free, so I'll just click on blank logo. You can see this page loads up, and in this page you can choose a lot of free options in which you can quickly design your logo, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. And within a matter of minutes, I've completed making my logo. And there you go, you've created your own logo. Now I'm gonna visit www.wordpress.com and I'm gonna click on start your website. I'm gonna enter my email address. I'm gonna quickly enter a username followed by that a password, and I'm going to click on create your account, and it asks me to choose a domain here in this page. So I'm going to just enter the domain of my choice. Alright, I'm thinking of something like Emmanuel's Trek. It won't be nice, so I'll just enter Emmanuel's Camping, emmanuelscamping.com, and it's available. So instead of choosing a paid plan, I'm gonna choose a free one, which you can see over here, emmanuelscamping.wordpress.com, and I'm gonna choose the free version. Again, it tries to sell me a plan in which I could buy my own domain and everything. If you see at the top of this web page, there is something called start with a free site, and I'm going to click there, and voila, here we are at the site's dashboard. Alright, now I'm going to name my site, and I'm going to click on name your site, and in the site title section I'm going to enter Emmanuel's Camping Experiences, and I'm going to also include a tagline for my website. Let me think. The forests are calling. Alright, that's okay. Now I'm gonna change my site icon. I don't have a site icon, so I'm gonna add new, and I'm gonna select a nice little cute picture of myself to be the site icon. As you can see, I'm a little bit on the left, so I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to click on edit again. Now I'm going to crop this image to perfection. Alright, looks good. Now I'll hit continue, and done. There you go. I have created a nice little picture of myself as my site's icon. Alright, you can always change the site address over here. Oops. Alright, I forgot to save the settings, so I'm going to click on save settings. As I said, you can always change your site's address by clicking on add custom address, and if you want to become professional blogger, you can do it over here. Alright, let's look at our site and how it looks. Wow, it's a nice looking WordPress site for you and your blog. It looks professional and nice. It looks nice, but for me, I don't think this website can do the job. So I'm gonna change the theme. On my dashboard, I'll click on change theme over here, and I'm gonna look for many themes that is available for free in WordPress. There are a lot of themes. I think this would do. Looks professional and nice. I'm gonna click on activate. Alright, it's activated. Now I'm gonna view the site, and it looks even better. My blog looks very professional, and it has got style. It has got the 2020s in it. Alright, having said that, I'm gonna customize my site. And first of all, I'm gonna look into site identity, and over here I can select a logo which I already made in Canva. I'm gonna click on select, and here we go. We've added a new logo to our site, and it looks even better. If you want to change your site title or tagline, you can do it here as well. It's very easy. Alright, now one more thing. You can also look at the way your site looks in a tablet or in a mobile phone. So this is the tablet view and this is the mobile view. You can edit your blog to look professional in mobile phones and in tablets. Alright, now let's go back to desktop mode and click on save changes. I'll go back now and click on colors and backgrounds. Here you can change your blog's background colors, and in the menus you can add new menus to your blog. And over here I'm gonna click on add items, but as you can see I have not created a new page, so I can't add any pages as of right now. So I'll go back to my WordPress dashboard, and I'll go to pages, add new. There are a lot of page styles, and I'm gonna hover through this. I want to create an about me page, so I would be looking for a template which would match my requirements. I think this is the one. So I'll try and click on it. Alright, my about page has been created, and over here you can give your address and email addresses for the contact. In case if you want to change, you can do that here as well, and if you want to change the address, you can do it there. And if you want to add something about yourself, you can do it here as well. I'm going to change this image, so I'm going to click on replace and upload, and I'm going to upload a nice little picture of myself sitting on the beach. Nice. So this looks good on this page, and I want to change this picture as well, so I'm going to click on replace, and I'm going to upload another image of myself sitting on the same beach. Alright, now it looks like an about me page. Nice and professional. It looks great if you ask me. Now back on the dashboard, I'm going to click on pages, and you can see an about page has been created already. So now in the menus, I'm going to add items, and I'm going to search for about. There you go. I've added an about in the primary menu and click on save changes. And as you can see, a new menu has been created. And it will be displayed on my blog. There you go. I'll click on this link, and here I am in my about page. Very simple and very easy to do. Alright, now I'll go back to the dashboard and back to customizing, content options not needed, widgets. You can click on add widgets, and here there are a variety of widgets. For example, you can add a video, a blog, or you can add stats, calendar, categories, whatever. Alright, now I'm going to click on the home page settings, and in this home page you can click on your latest posts over here, and whenever a user visits your website, he's going to look at your latest posts. If you enable the static page option, it will show your home page instead, which is not nice. I would personally prefer people visiting my latest posts, so I'm going to just go ahead and click on your latest post. Nice and professional. Alright, now I'm going to click on save changes, back, and in the fonts I can click here to open the block editor, and in here I can edit the fonts of the text that I use in my blog by using the block editor. I can also change the alignment, I can change the heading styles, I can make a link, I can make a subscript, superscript, and I can do all sorts of stuff over here in the block editor. And having said that, this brings me to the end of this video, and I hope I made you guys all understand how to create a blog for free within 10 minutes of time. And I hope this video is useful. If you like my video, please subscribe to South Plus, and until I see you next time, bye bye.